Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with some what's for dinners. I am sharing 7 easy budget friendly meals with you today, so let's get started. For dinner tonight, I am making Instant Pot Mexican shredded beef tacos. I'm trying this recipe for the very first time. If it works out, I will share a recipe at a later date. But this is kind of in the testing stages. So I have my sirloin tip roast. It says boneless beef chuck roast. I'm not sure if this is similar or not, but this is what I have, so I'm going with it. Then you need a can of diced chilies, some chili powder, cumin, garlic, juice of 1 lime, as well as a cup of water, and you will also need your Instant Pot and salt and pepper. So I'm going to put everything in an Instant Pot, but first I'm gonna combine things in a pot, in a separate bowl, and then put the meat and everything else in an Instant Pot. So I put the beef inside an Instant Pot. I had mixed my chilies, chili powder, cumin, garlic, salt, and pepper. The lime will go at the end. And I'm gonna rub it on here. So here it is with water and the rub on. And I'm going to close it up and put it on high pressure. I put it on high pressure for 75 minutes. So you want to give yourself about 2 hours for this, I would say. There, make sure your vent is shut. For dinner tonight, I'm making roasted potatoes that I have seasoned with parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and some vegeta, as well as some paprika and olive oil. And then chicken thighs, and I have made a paste out of garlic, fennel seed, rosemary, thyme, and some olive oil. Spread it around, and then just sprinkle a little bit of vegeta, salt, and pepper. I'm going to roast this in the oven for about 40 minutes or so until the chicken is done and the potatoes are done. So depending on your oven, at 375 degrees. I'm going to also make some roasted cauliflower with it, as well as a salad. For dinner tonight, I am making some homemade pizza as well as some calzones for lunches, and I have some store-bought dough. I love using this organic dough, and here are the rest of the ingredients that I will be adding to it. And here is a made calzone as well as some pizzas. For dinner tonight, I actually shared this full recipe a couple weeks ago. I will link it in the description box, but I made stuffed flank steak and some roasted baby potatoes with it. This is another recipe that I shared a while back, and I will have it linked in the description box. But we were having a jalapeno chicken casserole. This was super delicious, and it's fairly easy to make. Great weeknight casserole. You can make it ahead and just stick it in the oven just before your dinner. For dinner tonight, I am making egg roll in a bowl. I make this often. It is quick, easy, healthy, and delicious. And for extra vegetables, I am going to add a bag of broccoli slaw along with my bag of coleslaw. And then you need some ginger, garlic, and some crushed peppers. And I'm using ground turkey as my protein. So I'm preheating some sesame oil, and it's already hot. You can see it. And I'm going to add my meat first. I am going to add my coleslaw, cabbage coleslaw, as well as my broccoli. And I'm going to add some soy sauce as well as the seasonings. Healthy and delicious dinner done in under half an hour. And it tastes delicious, and it's great next day for lunch as well. For dinner tonight, I am making a summertime soup, and over here I just sauteed some onion, celery, garlic, and carrots. Then I added some tomatoes, potatoes, as well as basil, marjoram, salt, and pepper, and some bay leaves, and then 8 cups of water. And I'm gonna bring this to a boil, add a can of beans and some spinach, and then I'm gonna cook pasta on a side. If anybody wants to add the pasta to the soup, they can. I usually serve my soup with a side of BLT sandwiches. I had mine on a lettuce wrap. The kids had it in the buns. Well, I hope you enjoy these easy, delicious meals. Hope it gave you an inspiration of what to cook next week, and I'll see you all in my video. In my next video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you get notified when that video goes live.